For today's lesson, you guys are going to be working on a Jamboard. And Jamboard is a thing that lets me put pictures and you can write and things like that. So you guys are going to do a word sort. And what you're going to do is make sure that you're clicked onto the little mouse over here that will let you click and drag. This pen is for writing and this eraser is for erasing. But right now I want you guys to click on the little mouse so that you can click on the pictures. You have 3 pictures here. I want you to say the words out loud. Spoon, cat, moon. And I want you to think, which 2 of these words rhyme? One of them does not rhyme. Does spoon and cat rhyme? Does cat and moon rhyme? Or does spoon and moon rhyme? What I want you to do is click and drag the words that rhyme into the boxes. So spoon and moon rhyme because they have the same ending sound. And you're going to do this a few times. So when you're done with this page and you click and drag them over, you'll go to the top of your Jamboard where there's a little arrow. It says page 1 out of 4. You'll go to the next page and you'll do it again. Cat, fish, and bat. Pick the 2 pictures that rhyme and click and drag them over into the boxes. And there are more pages. Clock, sock, and fork. Which 2 pictures rhyme? Click and drag them over. And clown, crown, and mouse. Which ones rhyme? Click and drag them over. Now there's no way to turn this assignment in, so what I want you guys to do when you're done is make sure you go to the PowerPoint or the slide, and where it says click here, you click on that and it will take you to a Google form where you can tell me, was today's lesson too easy, I needed help, or too hard. And then you're going to hit submit.